In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open files and folders in Google Drive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in. First things first, you need to access Google Drive. So open your web browser and type in drive.google.com. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your Google account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your personal storage dashboard. This is where all your files and folders live. Next, you'll need to locate the items you want to open. You have a couple of options here. The first option is manual browsing. Simply scroll through the list of items that appear on your main dashboard. This can be quite handy if you have a particular folder in mind and want to take a quick look at its contents. The second option is a bit more efficient. You can use the search bar at the top of the page. This search bar allows you to look for specific items by name, file type, or even keywords that are contained within your documents. Just type in what you're looking for, and Google Drive will pull up the relevant files or folders. This can save you a lot of time. Now, once you've located the folder you want to access, it's time to open it. To do this, double-click on the folder. If you're on a trackpad, you may just need to double-tap. As soon as you do this, the folder will open, displaying all the files it contains. If you're looking to open a specific file, the process is just as simple. Once you're either in the folder or back on your main drive, find the file you wish to view. Double-click it, just like you did with the folder, and voila! The file will automatically open in a new browser tab. Now, here's an exciting part. Depending on the file type, Google Drive will open it using the corresponding Google Workspace application. If you opened a document, it will launch in Google Docs, or if it's a spreadsheet, Google Sheets will pop up. Likewise, if it's a presentation, you'll find yourself in Google Slides. This integration makes it super convenient for you to either view or edit your content without needing to switch between different applications. As you explore and work with your files, you'll notice that editing is straightforward. You can add text, change formatting, and collaborate with others if that's something you're interested in. Google Drive makes sharing and working together easy too. And there you have it. You now know how to open files and folders in Google Drive, whether through browsing or searching. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy file organizing, and I'll see you in the next video.